Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how can you share your Twitter tweets to Twitter stories or fleets. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to my Twitter. And if you don't know, Twitter has launched stories. Look at this on the top. Yes, they look very similar to Instagram stories. But a recent feature, and you're able to add content. You're able to create stories, text-based, upload videos or images from camera roll, a lot of cool stuff. But in this video, I want to talk about how do you share a tweet into the fleet, Twitter fleet. And these stories on Twitter, they're called Twitter fleets. All right, now, so let's do this. Let's create a brand new tweet. I want to just a simple one. Let's say content. This is something I always tell people. And then consistency. That creates win, right? When it comes to social media, building your brand, personal or business, that's the secret sauce, right? All right, so I'm gonna tweet that. So obviously tweet is sent. So if I go to my profile, it should be there. Let's scroll down and then look at this. So here is that tweet that I just sent, right? Now, if I wanted to share this to my fleets, what I have to do is, let's click on that first of all. And I'm gonna click on this share icon, which is right here. So when I do that, look at this is the new option, share in a fleet, meaning share in a Twitter. I don't know why they call it fleet. They should have called it stories. We're used to that. All right, so let's click on that, and now it's gonna open, and look at that. So now I'm able to, if I wanted to, I'm pressing on this button at the bottom. I'm able to pick different colors. I can also add more text. For example, say, do you agree? By the way, the Twitter fleets are very, very new, and I'm sure they're going to improve. There will be more features, but for now, it's very, very simple. And then when you're done, we're going to hit on fleet. And it's posting. Let's say it's done. So let's go back to my Twitter fleets. I'm going to click on my icon right here. And now look at that. So here are the fleets that I added yesterday. And then this is the one that we just added right now. Very, very simple. But this is how you add your Twitter tweets to Twitter fleets. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.